Hi everyone. Today I'm excited because I'm going to be putting something into this area that I think is going to really help spruce it up some. Gifted to me in exchange for my review. Now this kit comes with everything you're going to need, from the flagpole, the base, to the flag itself. Everything was of good quality material. The pole itself is a matte black and it does come with a weighted base. The pole is about 1 inch in diameter and it's very easy to put this all together. And each section was secured and threaded, which made it simple to put it together. Right there's that base. And it also has a eagle at the top. Now this eagle topper is an awesome top. I love the detail that they have within the eagle and the flag. It has great grommets there, and you can tell that the stitching was done with great detail. So you can see the relationship. I'm almost 5'5", and it's a little bit taller than I am. Now this is very sturdy. It was super easy to put together, and it's a great way to be patriotic. If you're looking to display a flag, you don't have a huge flagpole, this is a perfect way to display this. And you can put it off to the side. I like the fact that it's pretty light. I can do it with one-handed. I can put it back by my pool. I could put it out on my porch. You know, on the 4th of July, I could put it out to my mailbox area.